waters of the Mississippi. We're headed to Minnesota. Pick up a corn head. We're about to cross over the big bridge. Yeah, we're headed into Winona. We actually went and got the bean head the same way. Now we're going to get a corn head. There's the Mississippi. We're going to drop the GoPro outside. Well, we're finally at a quick trip. I was starving to death. And the corn head mover's still behind the truck. Unbelievable. How close do you think you are to the farm? Another 100?
No, 80, 70.
We got 70 miles to go yet. I'm going to check these tires out, make sure they're not hot or anything. Anyway, we're somewhere around Albert Lee, Minnesota. Yeah, we gotta bring that thing back with a head on it. Well, we made it to this guy's farm, western Minnesota. There's the combine with the head on it. This is a nice little place. Look at that nice farm here. Well, we're at this farm in Minnesota. We just made a deal with the head. Beautiful little farm here. I was talking to the father of the place. Showed me old tractors and muscle cars he has. So right up my alley. So we're having a good time. But we got a long way to get home. And we got to load the head up and then head all the way back to Wisconsin. Well, we got her loaded. Nice people here. Yeah, we're going to have to put some air in the tires. Hopefully we make it all the way home. Well, tires are pumped up. We're ready to hit the road and we'll go from there. Well, we're on our way to Wabasha, to the dreaded Wabasha Bridge, but we have a smaller head this time. It won't be as fun. But we sure are going through a lot of beautiful cropland. Some guys are still out there cutting corn. A lot of beautiful farms. I think we might make her home. I'll let you know after the bridge. So that's a gleaner?
Yeah.
By God, a guy's using the gleaner. You don't see that very often. Yeah, passing a big old ethanol plant here. The hell town we're by, I forget what, Bateska or some fucking shit. Oh yeah, headed right down the interstate with the corn head. The thing of beauty.
40 miles an hour.
Well, here we are, still on the road, an hour at least away from Wabasha. We were clear almost the other side of Minnesota. And I guess the wheels haven't fallen off of the head wagon yet. But Ted won't let me stop and take a piss. I'm getting really pissed off here, man. Are we gonna get to Wabasha before nightfall?
Here now.
Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but finally we see the Mississippi River.
Right.
5 hours, and we're finally at the Mississippi. Unreal. Yeah, you can't see it, but there's a river and a riverboat somewhere out there. Holy smokes. My God, we made it. Sure that's a boat? Well, you can't see much, but by God, we finally made the Wabasha Bridge. 6 hours. 6 freaking hours. And we're just now getting to Wisconsin. I can smell Wisconsin finally. Here comes that freaking bridge right here. Across the freaking Mississippi. I told you. I didn't think we'd make it by nightfall. By God, we didn't. There's this freaking bridge. Main road Cornhead across the Mississippi. Can't really see down there, but by God, we did it. By God, we did her. That guy had enough. There we go. We're back home.
We got something tingling back there.
Well, it's 10:30. We made it back to Cornell. Unbelievable. We are almost all the way to South Dakota. It looks like everything's still in one piece, and Teddy has, what, 25, 30 miles to go yet. At least I'm back home.